So in this video I am going to show you the purchase module. Okay, how to use purchase module in Odoo 19. So let's go to purchase module. If you see here in the order menu, you will find here request for quotation and purchase order. Okay, RFQ. So RFQ we use if suppose we are going to purchase any item from any vendor, and it's the first time or we don't know that vendor, just we search it. So we will make a request for quotation, so we'll get the prices, and then after that we will confirm our PO. But if suppose we know someone, we are dealing with him, any vendor, and we know the prices, everything, so we can directly go to purchase order, so we can create the PO directly. Okay, so first let's take start from request for quotation. Okay, so in this menu we will first come to the new, click on new. So here you will see here is RFQ, three status of purchase order. Okay, then RFQ sent and then purchase order. So the first state is to create the RFQ. Okay, so we will select from here any vendor, like let me select extra. Okay, if you see here vendor reference, if you have any reference from the vendors, suppose if you are dealing with this vendor and he provide you some reference that whenever you are going to request for quotation or make a PO, you will use this reference, so you will put that reference here. Okay, there is another tab that is called agreement. This is for later use, advanced level. Okay, so we'll discuss in later videos this. If you come here, here is order deadline. Suppose I need the product to be received on 31st. Okay, so I'll put 31st December, and expected arrival, suppose I expect it to be received on 30th December. Okay, I'll select that. Here is an option deliver to. Deliver to means that suppose you have warehouses. In this I have now two options, Jeddah and Dammam. Okay, so if you are going to receive this product in any warehouse, you have to select that warehouse here. Okay, so now after that I will come to the product. So I will add a product from this menu. Okay, let me click on add product. So here we can select a product. Let me select Dell laptop. Okay, so I select the product here. So this is only a request for quotation, so no need to put any price here. Okay, let me show you how it will show when you print it. Okay, or download this quotation. So let me click on print. So it will download this quotation. So the quotation will look like this. Okay, request for quotation. Here will be a PO number, and here is the option where you will receive this product. And if you see here, here is only expected date and quantity. There is no price shown because you will send this RFQ to a vendor. So then he will send you an invoice because you are a customer for the vendor. So when he send you invoice or quotation, later you will put the price. Okay, so we will come here. See, as I print on the as I click on the print button, would you assume that I download this quotation, okay, RFQ, so the status automatically change. It becomes RFQ send. Assume that I already sent this quotation. Okay, so now it's in RFQ. So we will wait for the vendor. When the vendor send us the quotation and the prices, then later we will put the prices here. Suppose he send us a price of 2200. Okay, so if there are any taxes, we will include the taxes, and then we will confirm the order. So when we confirm, it will become a PO, a purchase order. If we save this, suppose, and we go to the purchase order, so see the number here, it's 18. Okay, if I go to purchase order, it's not showing here. P triple 018, it's not available here because that is only RFQ. Okay, if I come here, it will show here the RFQ is here. Okay, so if I'm going to this RFQ and I'm going to confirm it, when I click on confirm, okay, so now this will be available in the PO. If I come to the PO, purchase orders, now it's available here because it become a PO now. We already, now that we receive a quotation from our vendor, we put that price and we confirm our PO. Okay, so the confirmed PO will be available in the purchase orders. Okay, so let me take another example on RFQ. Let's suppose we are going to create another RFQ. I'm going to select the same vendor. Okay, so let me select the order deadline, then I will select the expected arrival. If you come here, you will find some other option also, not only add a product. Okay, you can click on a catalog. So the catalog option will take you to this vendor. If there are any product related to this vendor, it will take you to that product list. See, Dell laptop we are going to purchase from this vendor. Okay, let me duplicate this tab. Okay, I'll show you something which we did already in our previous video. Let me go to the products here. If you see here, the Dell laptop. Okay, so here is the purchase tab. I already add here that the vendor extra, we are purchasing from extra, that is why it's showing here. Okay, so it is a very important tab. As I told you in the previous video, you have to add the vendor here. So each vendor, if you are going to select a vendor and click on a catalog, it will give you all the products available with that vendor, okay, or related with that vendor. Let me show you one thing. Suppose here in the products, we have another laptop, which is this one. Okay, so if you see here, here is another vendor added, Panda. Let me add another, this extra also. Okay, because the same product we are either purchasing from Panda or extra, both. Okay, so let me save it. If I go to the product list, back to the PO, and if suppose I go again back to the catalog, see that laptop is also available here now. Okay, so we can select from here. Suppose if I need this laptop, I will click on add. How much I need, how many units I need. Suppose I need 3 units, this one. I need this one also, 2 units. I will add it from here. When I go back to the PO, okay, it will be added automatically here. Or suppose if I go to the catalog, from here I will deselect this one, I will cross it, I will go to the product categories. So from here I can select any item. Like see here, we have these item in goods. We have, these are categories, product categories, imported items. We have local item. We have services. So we can select from here also. Like suppose I want to select this panel light. I'll select this one also. I need to select this one also. Test product. I'll select this one also. If I go to the PO, it will be available here. See, all the product automatically added here. Okay, So here if you see, add a note, add a section. Add a section we use per sections. Like if I click on add a section, suppose these are electronics item, okay? Electronics. So I can make sections here. Let me take it up, okay? And I want to add another section like if there is any delivery available with this vendor, and we assume that this vendor will deliver us this product, okay? So we can add here delivery also, okay? And suppose we can add here delivery is a product also. So delivery service, I will create it, okay? Let's suppose this is for 300 real. So we can add it here also. So let me show you if I am going to print it, how it will look on the RFQ. See here in the description, the first section is electronics. So these are added already the items, and the last one is delivery. So here is a delivery service, okay, 1 unit. So this is RFQ. So if you are going to make confirm PO, then the price will show here also, okay? So let me come back to RFQ. So now it's already in the RFQs sent status, okay? Here is an option available, price comparison. If you click on this, so see here, it will show you the old history. If suppose this laptop you have purchased from any other vendors before, so it will show you the price comparison. Like let me check this one, okay, PO 1819. So it will show you that this laptop you purchased from this on this PO. Before there is another PO, I think it's PO 18, okay? So the price is this one. So it will give you the comparison. Let me check another laptop, this one, okay? You see here, it's showing you two vendors, Extra and Panda. We have purchased this before from Panda, and now we are going to purchase from Extra. So here, if suppose there is any difference between the prices, you can get a best price from here also. So this is a very good feature, price comparison here, okay? And there is another thing, add a note. So you can add a note here also. Click on add a note. You can add any note like I need these items in a special cartoon to avoid damage. So you can put any note here also, okay? So let me save it. And if you go here the same way to purchase order, you will not find it here. You need, because you need to confirm it. So when you confirm it, it will become a purchase order, okay? So let me confirm it. After confirmation, now it will be available in the purchase order, okay? It's already now available here, the PO 19, okay? It's waiting for bill. Here are some other options like see here, receipt or receive. So these options are related to inventory module, okay? So later when we are going to discuss the inventory module, so I will discuss these things, okay, how to use these options.